heading over to the DMV. It's starting to rain a little bit, so that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. It's actually supposed to storm today, but I'm not too worried about that. Heading over to the DMV, or as they call it, the tax collector's office here in Florida, to renew my registration for 2 of my cars. Well, my vehicle and my wife's, because they're both registered under my name. So, oh, those crackles and pops, my boy. Downshift, downshift. Yeah, engine braking's super good on this bad boy. Oh, I love it. Fucking love it. I feel like I might be running a little bit rich, but I'm not sure. I was running too lean, then I did the jet kit, and now I feel like I'm running too rich. So I'm gonna have to get on the freeway, which I actually haven't done on this bike yet, but I do commute on a lot of roads where the, you know, the speed of traffic is like 60, 55, 60. So shouldn't really be any different than that. I'll just stay in the slow lane or whatever, because this bike tops out around 65 miles an hour on flat ground, maybe 70 downhill with the 45-2 sprocket that I have on it right now. So yeah, this voice quality here is with the modular helmet closed and the actual visor closed, and then the mouth vents open, which, you know, I keep open pretty much all the time so my lens doesn't fog up and all that good stuff. So I reached out to a couple Facebook groups out here in Pensacola and found a ton of guys to ride dual sport with, so that's awesome. There's a lot of Grom and dual sport guys out here, so if you have a lower powered bike and you're worried about, you know, not riding with faster bikes because you'll be holding the group back and stuff, don't worry about that. There is groups out here for, you know, dual sports and Groms and stuff like that, so that's really cool. Little downshift rev matching. Let's crack the visor for you. Oh my golly. Oh my golly. Yes, sir. So it just started raining, so this is like the slipperiest time, but I'm not too worried about that. I seem to get just as much traction in the wet as I do the dry, so no big deal. Anyway, gonna hop on the freeway here and head over to the DMV, and then head to GameStop, trade in a couple items that I have, and yeah. But yeah, this bike is just super nimble, ton of fun to throw around, love it. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't fall off. That would suck a fat dick. So then I'd have to go retrieve it from the street and all that shit. So anyway, I want to talk about why I chose the CSC TT250 as my first bike. There's so many other options out there. I could have started with a 600. I could have started with, you know, any of the small beginner bikes like the Yamaha R3, Kawasaki Ninja 300, KTM RC 390, Duke 390. I mean, there's so many other bikes I was looking at, but I wanted to get something that I knew that I wouldn't, that I'd have a lot of long-term value with, because once I grow out of this bike, which I already starting into, want more power on the road for commuting and whatnot. Once I grow out of this bike, I'm still going to keep it as a dedicated dirt bike for my family for like camping trips and stuff like that. Alright, this is going to be the test of this fucking GoPro. Should be alright, we'll see. Oh, I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose my GoPro. Yeah, this bike really isn't too freeway worthy, but you know what, I'm like maxed out right now. Like that truck did not want to let me over. It's like, you're gonna let me over, dude. It's gonna happen. You're gonna let me over, bro. That was the first time going on the highway on this bike. So I've got the 45 tooth rear sprocket on here with the stock, I want to say say 12 or 13 tooth front. So we'll see what the top speed's like. Oh, starting to rain, and it's windy as fuck right now. Yeah, it's like super windy right now. It's pushing me around and shit. Less than ideal. Vest that I'm wearing right now, because it's like mesh, as you see, so basically the wind is just like pelting my flesh, which is not pleasant at all. I really hope it stops raining. It really does not feel good. Like, this is not rain gear at all. In fact, this is like the opposite of what you want in the rain. Man, anyway, it just started raining, so it's going to be a little slippery on the road, a little moist. Just going to try and follow this truck's path right here. Hopefully he'll knock all the rain and oil and shit out of my path here. Yeah, this is good. First time taking this bike on the highway. I definitely wouldn't commute on the freeway on this bike. It just doesn't have the top end for it. Like, as you see, it's wound the fuck out in 5th gear right now. It doesn't have much left over. I'll even tuck down here. Yeah, also the wind is just blowing me around like a fucking rag doll right now. Sucks. My exit's coming up here pretty soon though, so it's good. That's good. I don't even know where W Street is, honestly. This road is bumpy as fuck. You don't want to pull out in front of me, bud. Don't do it. Oh, you have arrived. Pretty sure. It's like somewhere around here, I know that much. It's coming up here. There it is. The old shit show itself. I've never had a good time at like a DMV or a fucking, what they call it, the tax collector's office here. It's the fucking DMV. Yeah, it's never really like a pleasurable experience, but this is definitely one of the better locations that I've been to, for sure. Park next to this dude over here. What do we got here? Sportster? Hell yeah. Alright, I'll see you ladies on the other side.